Next activity is push button.
Push button.
Now you see, kakak push button. Now, how Elora do? This is, and then tie button. How Elora push button? 2 hands. Push. 1 hand take button. 1 hand take the cloth. Take the cloth, Elora, here. Here the cloth, here. And then push like this. And then take Elora button here. Pull. Yes. Now push. Push button. You take the button. Then 1 finger. Take the clothing. Then inside the button. Take the button. Take. Then inside. Inside. And then take the button. Pull. 1 only, yeah. This one. You take. Then you take the cloth. One hand. Take the cloth. 1 hand take the cloth. 1 hand take the cloth. 1 hand here. This 1 hand. Take the cloth. Elora take the button. 2 hand. Yes. Slowly.